Hi everybody, my name is Jamie Peterson. I'm a Senior Solutions Lead here in Informatica from the Calgary, Alberta office. Today I'm going to take you through a high-level overview of our Informatica Analyst tool so you can understand how to navigate the tool, where all the sections are. And then I'm going to have subsequent videos to follow up that will do deep dives in each section that will show you more on the different sections of the Analyst. As you can see, the Analyst is a web-based interface. You just need to have your Informatica administrator enable the service and then send you out the URL. Use your username and password to log in, and you should see what I see. Now, the very first thing you're going to see when you log in is our task administration screen. If you have any Informatica products that allow us to send tasks to the Analyst tool, then you can see them here, depending if you have it set up properly. So if you're using things like data quality or even a rule that you have built, you can have exceptions to those rules or exceptions to those matches that are sent here, and then you can address them from the screen right now. Moving on to the second tab, this is the business glossary section. Here is where you do everything around the business glossary. Create your glossaries, your business terms, your policies. And this is where you would do everything as far as that goes. The next one is discovery. This is where you would go and do your profiles, create your profiles, create the links to those data objects that you have, either being database or a flat file. Under the design tab, this is where you would go and create what we call mapping specifications, or sometimes called rapid prototyping, the ability to create a base mapping so that you can help your developers out, really reduce that time to market when it comes to doing your some ETL or data management jobs. You can create reference tables here and have reference table management. If you want to start to have a standard place where you keep all your reference tables, you can actually do it here. And you can also create rule specifications here as well. And we'll go into those rule specifications a little bit more in subsequent videos. But basically, you can create a rule around data without knowing the exact data structure. You just have to know what inputs you need. And then, of course, the scorecards. This is where you add data elements to what we call a scorecard, and you can visually see if the data is improving through the rules or data quality objects that you've applied to that data. So this is kind of a visual to see how are we doing? Am I getting better? Am I getting worse? And from here, you can also set out alerts as well. The next thing I want to show you is if you click on this open button, it's going to open up the library of data assets that you have created here in the Analyst tool. So you can go here and take a look at certain things as far as profiles are concerned to see if maybe you don't have to run a profile. Maybe somebody has actually done this already and you don't have to go and run it. Maybe there's a rule that's been created that you don't have to create from scratch. You can take a look and see if that meets your needs. This is an easy way to take a look at all the data assets that you have access to by your login credentials. So maybe that you don't have to do it again. It's all that reusability capability that we always talk about in Informatica. The last thing I want to show you is the ability to search for something. We have a Google-like search where you can type in whatever you want to search for to see if it exists within your data assets. So I typed in cost ratio and I can see all of the things that are related to this, either the word cost, ratio, or have it somewhere within the term. And then I can go in and actually start to look at these things. As far as terms go, it could be a table, it could be a profile. That's all I wanted to show you for now. I hope you're going to come back and take a look at the other videos. Have a great day.